Hey guys, in today's video we will talk about how to enhance your heart health, so let's start the video. Your heart is incredible. It works tirelessly, every second of every day, to keep you alive. Taking care of your heart is the single most important thing you can do for your health. A healthy heart lowers your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious health problems. It also gives you more energy to live your life to the fullest. Many people think heart disease is something that happens later in life. The truth is, heart disease can affect anyone, at any age. The good news is that there are many things you can do to keep your heart healthy. Small changes in your lifestyle can make a big difference. It's never too late, or too early, to start taking care of your heart. Whether you're already living a heart-healthy lifestyle or just starting out, these tips can help you protect your most vital organ. Your heart will thank you for it. Taking care of your heart doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 10 simple, actionable tips to boost your cardiovascular wellness. Choose foods low in saturated and trans fats, cholesterol, and salt. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods are naturally low in unhealthy fats and rich in nutrients that are good for your heart. Try incorporating more plant-based meals into your week. Beans, lentils, and tofu are great sources of protein and fiber. Cook at home more often so you can control the ingredients in your food. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Moderate intensity means you should be slightly out of breath. You can break up your exercise into shorter intervals throughout the day. Find an activity you enjoy, like brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or biking. Being active doesn't have to feel like a chore. Make it social by exercising with a friend or family member. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference for your heart health. If you are overweight or obese, talk to your doctor about a healthy weight loss plan. Even small changes in your diet and exercise habits can help you lose weight and keep it off. Focus on making gradual, sustainable changes rather than trying to lose weight quickly. Smoking is one of the worst things you can do for your heart. If you smoke, quit. There are many resources available to help you quit, including counseling, medication, and support groups. Even if you've smoked for years, quitting can still dramatically reduce your risk of heart disease. Talk to your doctor about quitting smoking today. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. Have your blood pressure checked regularly and follow your doctor's recommendations for managing it. Lifestyle changes, such as eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress, can help lower blood pressure. In some cases, medication may also be necessary. High cholesterol can clog your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. Have your cholesterol checked regularly and talk to your doctor about ways to lower it if it's high. Lifestyle changes, such as eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly, can help lower cholesterol. In some cases, medication may also be necessary. High blood sugar can damage your blood vessels and increase your risk of heart disease. Get tested for diabetes and follow your doctor's recommendations for managing your blood sugar levels. Lifestyle changes, such as eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly, can help prevent and manage diabetes. In some cases, medication may also be necessary. Stress can take a toll on your heart health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, relaxation techniques, or spending time with loved ones. Make time for activities that you enjoy and that help you relax. Don't be afraid to say no to commitments that will add to your stress level. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more stress hormones, which can be hard on your heart. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule and stick to it as much as possible, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down before sleep. See your doctor regularly for checkups, even if you feel healthy. This will help your doctor identify any potential problems early on. Be sure to tell your doctor about any family history of heart disease or any other health concerns you may have. Early detection and treatment are key to preventing heart disease. Your heart is a gift. It's the engine that drives your life, powering you through every experience, every emotion, every moment. Taking care of your heart is an act of self-love, a way to honor this incredible organ that works tirelessly for you. By making even small changes in your lifestyle today, you're making a powerful investment in your future. A healthy heart means more time with loved ones, more energy to pursue your passions, and a greater sense of well-being. Start your journey towards a healthier heart today. Your future self will thank you for it. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.